Right, if I could play some music with this I would, but I can't because I'm in a good old train condenser set. Pole fuse is blown out on the system. Condenser fans spin freely, although you can smell that something is burnt out. Compressor looks good, nothing looks hot, but wait, there's more to see. Ta-da! There you go. How's that for you? And the culprit? There he is. Three-phase supply, fan contactor, and one barbecued snake. Took the lot, blackened everything, as you can see, all the way across. I think the capacitors might be alright. And we need a new drawing. Totally. Oh well. There you go. Problem solved.